Hello, 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 this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing well. In this video I am doing the last touches as I'm steaming the garment that I have knit with 100% Angora rabbit yarn. By steaming, it's giving a better look on the knit. It's like blocking, but I use this method. It's faster, and I have done this before I went to bed, and when I woke up it's ready to take pictures. So I will get ready and I will take pictures and I will share it with you. Yeah, and I'm checking the sleeves. One of the sleeves has to match the other sleeve, and it's perfect match. As you can see, I did do decreases from under the arm, and I am steaming the sleeves as well. Yeah, doesn't this look fantastic? So stay tuned for those pictures videos I am going to be taking with me wearing it, because this is a plus size, between 2 extra to 3 extra large. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video you will be notified. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.